Vericom's VC5 Cabinet Platform is a feature-rich, customizable solution suitable for large-scale data centers, enterprise network rooms, and edge installations. The robust design is UL listed with a weight capacity of 3,000 pounds and is available in over 20 size combinations as an open frame or complete enclosure. On the exterior, all VC5 cabinets include locking swing handles on doors and keyed slam lock latches on side panels to prevent unauthorized entry. Lift-off hinges allow doors to be easily removed, and side panels are half height to reduce weight. Inside, 2 pairs of 14-gauge rails with infinitely adjustable depth provide secure equipment mounting, and printed RU markings are included for convenience. 5-inch wide lacing panels provide lashing points for cable bundles, as well as 0U mounting of vertical PDUs. The VC5 Series is a highly configurable, assemble-to-order cabinet platform that can be outfitted with any of Vericom's hundreds of accessories, making it a great choice for datacom installations of most any size. Our rack and cabinet systems are engineered to deliver the highest level of performance at the best possible value, ensuring years of return on your investment. Vericom, the future of technology, today.